Pacific Power operates generating, transmission, and distribution facilities in 8 western states. To manage this far-flung business efficiently, they've chosen Macintosh personal computers to serve as front ends for a sophisticated executive information system.
Whether he's in electronic mail, into his calendar, into reports that are out on a TSO file somewhere, or into the general ledger system, which is on CICS, or into an IMS file in Salt Lake City. All of those things are accessible.
The executive should be able to get the information that exists in those particular places with a single button.
The real issue here is one of freedom and ease of use. The ability to get into a network and not care where you are in that network, where that data resides, that freedom is absolutely crucial.
In Apple's view, the most important connection in any network is the one between the user and the computer.
What our customers expect from us is a wonderful personal computing experience. That's been the objective of the company since the inception of the Macintosh. That's certainly the guiding principle for all of the work we do within Apple Computer, especially in networking.
Apple's philosophy in networking is to provide connectivity to all the systems that our customers want access to without having to deal with the complexities of connecting those systems that they have to deal with today. To basically take the point and click philosophy, being able to point on a screen at an icon and have that be the way that you access information, whether it's local or remote. That's our vision of networking, to make it that simple.
The idea is to bring to networking the same intuitive, consistent interface that makes Macintosh itself so easy to use.
In a networking environment, the value that Macintosh adds is by hiding the fact that the network exists.
You don't have to learn any weird language or commands. You just plug in what you want to get access to, click on it on a screen, and you have it. And it's the same whether you're dealing with local information or remote information. That's what networking should be, and that's what Apple is committed to providing.
We want the network to be transparent. We want it to disappear. We don't want people worrying about whether the wire happens to be a token ring wire or an Ethernet wire. We don't want people worrying about the bit flows on the wire when you establish a session.
Actually, all Macintoshes have networking built in since 1984 because we felt already at that time that it is an important thing to have.
Communication is a standard feature of every Macintosh, a sophisticated but easy-to-use networking system called AppleTalk.
AppleTalk has been part of every Macintosh that we've ever shipped. That is, out of the box, built into our systems, every Mac has the capability to network. You take 2 Macintoshes out of the box in a laser writer, you plug them together and you have a network.
Now, in order for this to be simple, we had to take away certain things that older systems demanded of the user, like configuration, a rather abstract and forbidding word even by itself. We didn't want you to have to do any configuration whatsoever. You look for something on the network by simply looking in the chooser of the Macintosh for things you want to use. They're shown to you iconically and with names. You pick the thing you want to use and simply use it.
The AppleTalk network system allows you to select the network type that best suits your needs. An AppleTalk Internet router lets you interconnect local talk, token talk, and EtherTalk networks together to build very large, geographically dispersed internets. And no matter how large and complex the network grows, accessing network services remains as easy as pointing and clicking.
I'm told by my marketing friends that the number of connections of AppleTalk today is somewhere between 1.7 million and 2 million.
And people are asking more functionality for AppleTalk because it's being used in wide facilities, wide area networks by entire corporations, by entire organizations.
With AppleTalk Phase 2, we have eliminated the limit of the number of devices you can connect to a single AppleTalk network. Well, actually, we still have a limit. It's 16 million devices. Devices connected to any AppleTalk network can pick the zone they want to belong to, independent of other devices. And we have reduced the broadcast traffic to a minimum by using several very sophisticated techniques. And we've done all of these things while maintaining complete compatibility with all existing AppleTalk applications.
With AppleTalk, Macintosh provides plug-and-play networking. It provides the Macintosh desktop extended into a networking environment. Now, we think that that's the way to do networking. And so we want to take that end-user experience and extend it beyond AppleTalk. Extend it, in our words, into 4 key environments. Digital, and we're working closely with digital, IBM, TCP/IP, and OSI.
Apple Computer and Digital Equipment Corporation are integrating Macintosh and VAX computers into a common information environment. With AppleTalk for VMS, a VAX VMS computer system can join an AppleTalk Internet, and any Macintosh computer on the Internet can access the processing and storage capability of the VAX. Macintosh personal computers can participate fully in IBM's Systems Network Architecture environment. With a variety of products that support the key data links in an SNA network. They can connect to token ring local area networks, coaxial cable, and SDLC links. With MacDFT, Macintosh computers can emulate 3270 terminals with the added value of copy and paste functionality. Macintosh personal computers can participate as peers in SNA environments, running cooperative processing applications based on APPC and communicating with other computers on the network. TCP/IP is a widely used industry standard for connecting computers from a number of manufacturers. Macintosh personal computers can be integrated in TCP/IP-based networks over Ethernet, and local talk networks can be connected through a gateway. Either way, you have access to the main network services with the familiar, easy-to-use interface of Macintosh. Now, with MacX, you can access host-based X window applications on your TCP/IP network. It gives users the look and feel of the Macintosh user interface when manipulating X window. Macintosh will also be integrated in network environments based on OSI protocols. Apple has developed an X25 gateway solution and is committed to providing other OSI services as these standards are formalized. No matter what kind of network your Macintosh connects to, you still enjoy the same intuitive, consistent, and direct methods for accessing and manipulating information. With Macintosh, you can access several different environments at the same time. You can run host applications and local applications simultaneously. And you can copy information from other environments and paste it into Macintosh applications, so you can deal with it easily, view it in your own way, and work more productively.
We need to provide tools within our system that allow developers to write great applications which can rely on the underlying plumbing.
You can use Apple's HyperCard software, for example, to create custom point-and-click interfaces which hide the complexities of mainframe applications from the end user. With Mac Workstation, you can enhance mainframe applications so they can make use of Macintosh interface features, making those applications easier to use and preserving your investment in software and data. Using CL1, you can build cooperative processing systems with host database managers and Macintosh applications working together to provide transparent access from local Macintosh applications to host data residing on a digital VAX or IBM mainframe.
The promise of networking is to give users electronic access to information or people around the world, very simply by making the network transparent.
You can share information between users. You can communicate user to user. You can open up basically the world to people. You can give them the freedom to make their choices of what systems they want to use and how they want to connect them together. And all through the same consistent interface, the Macintosh.
What we're trying to do is to make the information that is in some sense locked up inside the steel walls of the mainframe, liberate it, get it onto the desktop so our customers can use it to be creative and to do something productive for their organizations. We think that the application of the Macintosh look and feel to mainframe applications, to mainframe information, and to complex computer networks done correctly, that's what we bring to the table.